Nobel Prizes 2025. What? Who? And when? Welcome back to Discovery Learn Hub. This week, the world's eyes turn to Sweden and Norway as the 2025 Nobel Prizes begin to be unveiled. But what exactly are the Nobel Prizes? How do they choose winners? And when will the announcements come? Stay tuned, we've got the full schedule and background. Let's go! What are the Nobel Prizes? Host, on camera/cut to archival photos. The Nobel Prizes were founded by Swedish inventor and industrialist Alfred Nobel, whose 1895 will endowed annual awards for those who have conferred the greatest benefit to humankind. Originally 5 categories were established in 1901. Physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature and peace. In 1968, a 6th, economic sciences in memory of Alfred Nobel, was added by Sweden's central bank. Each prize comes with 3 parts: a gold medal, a diploma, and a monetary award. This year, the cash prize is 11 million Swedish kronor, around $1.2 million, for each laureate, or shared among up to 3. The awarding institutions vary. A Karolinska Institutet handles medicine, physiology. A Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences awards physics, chemistry and economics. Swedish Academy awards literature. A Norwegian Nobel Committee awards peace, in Oslo. When and how the 2025 awards will be announced: 050 to 150. This year, the announcements span October 6 to October 13, 2025. Here's the schedule. Monday, October 6th. Physiology/medicine. Tuesday, October 7th, physics. Wednesday, October 8th, chemistry. Thursday, October 9th, literature. Friday, October 10th, Peace Prize in Oslo. A Monday, October 13th, economics in Stockholm. These announcements are carried live on official Nobel digital channels, so audiences around the world can follow in real time. On the selection process, each awarding committee invites nominations from qualified individuals like university professors, past laureates, etc. The nominations are kept secret. Committee deliberations remain confidential for 50 years. For the science prizes, medicine, physics, chemistry, discoveries are often recognized long after they stand the test of time. The Peace Prize tends to be more responsive to recent events and is awarded in Oslo per Nobel's will. Finally, the formal award ceremonies for all prizes happen on December 10, 2025, the anniversary of Nobel's death, with most prizes conferred in Stockholm and peace in Oslo. Why this week matters. This week is more than just announcements. It's a moment when decades of research, courage, and innovation are spotlighted. For scientists, it's a culmination of efforts and inspiration to know that the world is watching. For the public, it's a chance to understand how breakthroughs in physics, medicine, literature, peace, and economics can ripple into everyday lives. And for global discourse, the Peace Prize in particular can highlight conflicts, reconciliation, and pressing humanitarian issues. As the prizes roll out one by one, we'll be keeping our eyes on headline names: who wins, why, and how their work might change the world. What to watch/viewer tips. As you follow along, here are tips to get the most out of the Nobel Week. Watch the live broadcasts via nobelprize.org or the official Nobel social channels. Read the Nobel press releases after each announcement for detailed explanations of why winners were chosen. Pay attention to the long-term versus recent tension. Some prizes reward decades-old discoveries, others immediate impact. And commentaries, critiques, and discussions will follow quickly. It's a good time to engage, ask questions, and learn. We'll also post reaction episodes for each category as winners emerge. Be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss those. Closing/call to action. So there you have it, the stage is set for the 2025 Nobel Prize Week. Over the next few days, join me as we unpack each laureate's story, why they won, and what it means for our world. If you enjoy this kind of deep dive into science, history, and global ideas from the Discovery Learning Hub, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Drop a comment. Which Nobel category are you most excited to see this year? Medicine, peace, or maybe economics? Let me know. Until our next video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.